Bacopa Monnieri is a distinguished herb that has been used for thousands of years, particularly in the Asian region for medicinal purposes. Locally known as Lunuwila and widely recognized in Ayurveda as Brahmi, this plant is also commonly referred to as water hyssop. Bacopa is a perennial, creeping plant that thrives in moist environments such as wetlands and marshes near bodies of water. It has succulent leaves and stems and produces small white or pale blue flowers. The plant is native to several countries, including Sri Lanka, India, and Australia. Main medicinal property: mind and memory. In Ayurvedic medicine, Bacopa is highly valued as a Medhya Rasayana. This classification signifies that it is a tonic, believed to enhance the mind and intellect while promoting rejuvenation. Memory enhancement. Modern research confirms that the main active compounds in Bacopa, known as Bacosides, stimulate the activity of brain cells. This helps improve memory, attention span, and the ability to quickly process information. Nervine tonic. It acts as an excellent nervine tonic, helping to reduce stress and anxiety and promoting emotional balance. Traditionally, it has also been used for insomnia and certain mental disorders. Other health benefits: antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The potent antioxidant properties of Bacoside compounds help protect the body's cells from damage. Furthermore, the plant is believed to have the ability to reduce inflammatory conditions in the body. Digestive aid and laxative. Bacopa stimulates appetite and acts as a mild laxative. Giving water boiled with Lunuwila was a traditional remedy for infant constipation. Other uses: it possesses diuretic properties and is also considered beneficial for treating phlegm and cough associated with respiratory issues. Important warnings and safety. While Bacopa Monnieri is generally safe when consumed in appropriate doses, some side effects may occur. Side effects: minor discomforts such as stomach cramps, nausea, and dry mouth may be experienced. Precautions: if you have pre-existing conditions such as a slow heart rate, thyroid disorders, or obstructions, ulcers in the digestive tract, stomach, or intestines, it is essential to consult a doctor or a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner before using Bacopa. Note: always seek professional medical advice before using this herb or its products for any medical condition.